All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. It is the Touring L model. It's beautiful burgundy and maroon color with black leather interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, navigation system, heated seats, roof racks. Super nice. Only 42,000 miles on this vehicle. Best of all, minimum damage. Front bumper looks good. Front hood looks good. Front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing here. Your tire tread is at 6/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire tread, which is at 5/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Jump in here, turn it on for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster, stuff like that. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Push start system. Turn on the lights. Got your AM, FM CD player. Obviously, they show the heated seats first. Your Navi system. Your backup camera. AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls or stereo controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Are the issues? Your mileage of 42 of 591. Pretty much completes the tour. Let's open up this truck. It's up here. There you go. See that? That opens up. This opens up. Very nice. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise, in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents and rear AC controls. Little power button here. Closes this door. Keep it moving. We got some scuffing here on this bumper, about 3 inches, and a heavy scratch on this, a little bit down, about 3. And then we got some more heavy scratching here. And 3. And we got some scratches here. I'll say 10 or more just to cover that. And then the scuffing on top. The rest of the rear bumper looks pretty good. This is what your rear trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a power button here. Hit that. This bad boy comes down. Now let's check it out. Your deck lid, I see, looks good. Your lift gate looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Tire that is at 8/32. This door looks pretty good. This door looks pretty good. This front door looks good as well. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears. I apologize. Your rear passenger seat, the other side of it, no holes, no tears, no rips. And likewise on the third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. A little button here. Door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good as well. Front rim does have some curving. You see it right there. I'll say 10 or more to engulf it all. And your tire tread is at 5:30 seconds. Lights are working. Fog lights are on. Things are running. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L model with 42,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.